I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching I be on my Junior watching I be on my tell him this.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme here once more, and they sent me this dark brown fall-ish color. Well, not fall-ish, but it's pretty much fall color, deep curly wig. It is a, I think this, to me, this honestly, I think it's a 6x6 closure because the parting space is very long and the space on the closure goes from here to here, like literally this is where it stops. So I think it is 6x6. It's giving 22 inches. So deep curly, dark brown, fall color, 6x6 deep curly. Did I say deep curly already? Yeah, you guys get what I'm saying. But a little about the packaging. So like always, they sent me some stocking cap. I did use it. I didn't do the ball cap method because I do really do the ball cap method whenever I'm doing my my closure wigs. I don't think it's necessary. I can finesse it, so I don't do it. They also sent me this package, and it has some baby hair combs in it, edge brush, same thing, a Luvme hair scarf, which I never uses. Like they always send these things to me and I actually don't use. I have a container of stuff that companies have sent to me which I've never used before. I just, you know. But yeah, and this is a mirror. This is a very little handy dandy mirror that you can literally just walk around with in your purse, or if you're going anywhere, you know, you just have it with you and it helps you stay on point pretty much, and it can fit in your bag. Like, who doesn't want that? But yeah, that is it for the package. Yeah, but I absolutely love this wig. I love the color, I love the curls, I love the lace. Everything is pretty much giving. I don't have a problem with this, to be honest. It didn't really shed that much apart from me plucking it, but when I was detangling it, nothing. But yeah, this is the wig and this is the look that I got. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, this is flying right. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
So I had to just stop and tell you guys about this product, that it is it's Jamaican owned. You cannot get it online, which I'm very annoyed, but hopefully something could happen. It's very good. Like, when I tell you, when I defined my hair with it, my hair was super shiny, super soft, and the curls were defined. I was at my mom's house and I used it, and I had to ask her, I'm like, where did you get this product from? Because you don't know products. Like, and don't get me wrong, you know, you don't know where to get good products. You're always asking me, so where did you get this from? Like, I fell in love with it the moment I used it, and I had to ask her, I'm like, where did you get this from? And then she told me it was her friend's niece's company, and it's a Jamaican owned. It's not online, nothing, but I'm telling you guys, this is the tea. I had to buy 4, literally, and I'm gonna use it to define my my curls, obviously, so you guys will see. All I did, like, no water, no nothing, no other product, literally just spray it and brush it with your detangling brush, and it's ready. My only thing is the fact that you have to spray a lot, because the opening is very small. I don't know if you guys can see, but the opening is very tiny, so it doesn't spray a lot. It doesn't spray a lot at once, but it does the job. It does the job. Like, look at that. Man, I'm never, as soon as this is done, I had to buy 4 bottles at once, because I was just like, I'm not waiting to hear that my product is done. Ow. My product is done and I can't be good. Shit. Like, baby. Like, what are you telling me? Like, look. And when it's dried, oh my god. Are you crazy? The best. I don't care.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I would.
This is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Luvme here for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys would like to purchase this wig, definitely check that out. But for now, this is the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.